In this video, I'm going to show you how to set alerts on IBKR Mobile. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to tap at the very top left where you can see those three lines, so the hamburger menu, and then from here you want to scroll down a bit, and then here you see alerts, okay? So you simply want to tap on alerts, and then here it's going to say stay on top of your investments with personalized alerts. Simply tap on add an alert. And then over here, you'll be able to see the alert conditions. So here you can then go ahead and basically you'll be alerted if the conditions you specify are met. And for example, I'm going to tap on the price off over here, and I'm just going to do Apple over here for this instance because it's at the top of my list, and I'm going to do Apple stock. There we go. And then here, price type, as you can see, it's going to say which price type it is. I'm going to do last price over here, but of course you could do double last price, etc. I'm just going to tap on last price for now. And then over here, you could do, like, as you can see, above or below. So you have two different settings you can set. And then over here, you can just basically select the price. So what I'm going to do here, I'm just going to scroll up a bit, and I'm going to do it like that. It's just something random for this tutorial. And then here, it's going to say and or. So if you want to basically add another one, so let's say you want an alert where you want Apple to hit that, and then something else to hit a specific price as well, then you'll be able to set an alert which is going to trigger if those two things happen. However, you could also set an alert which will trigger either if Apple does this price or if something else does this price. So for example, if I do end over here, I can do the price off where an instrument is traded, at the date time, my margin cushion is whatever you want to do. I'm just going to do the price off, and for example Nvidia, and then I'm going to set the stock over here as well, and then I'm going to just put it like this, and I could do it, and this alert could trigger or would trigger if Apple and Nvidia hit those two prices. Okay, so of course both of them have to do that if I want this alert to go through. So I'm just going to discard that. There we go. And if I want the or, I can just tap on or, and again I can do the exact same thing from over here. Just set whatever I want. For example, this time let's do Nvidia again, stock. And then there we go. Again, I can just tap on continue at the very bottom, and then I can now create the alert. So as you can see, you can go ahead and set the alert name. As you can see, you can name it whatever you want. You can go ahead and just do, for example, Apple and Nvidia. I'm gonna do, there we go. And then here you have the email, so you have to put in the email, and you can also add a note to the email because you'll be alerted on there. And whenever you're ready, you can just go ahead and include extended hours or the duration. You could do until canceled, or you could set a specific date if you want to, and then just go ahead and review the alert conditions again down here. If everything looks cool, just tap on save alert. And of course, this is not going to go through if you don't type in your email, but when you do, the alert will be saved, and then you'll be good to go. And basically, you'll be able to see your set alert. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.